Hey everyone, and welcome to my makeup look inspired by one of my all-time favourite Disney characters, and that is Marie from the Aristocats. I'm going to list all of the makeup products that I've used today in the description box below, so please feel free to check that out. But for now, I'm just going to start off by applying my foundation, and then I'm going to move on to concealer, which I'm going to apply under my eyes, on my nose, and also onto my chin. Then I'm just going to apply some powder all over my face just to mattify it and also to set the foundation. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of fullness to the brows, and I've just chosen a colour that is close to my natural eyebrow colour, and I'm just going to fill them in and just make them look a little bit more thicker and even them out. Okay, so now it's time to have some fun and apply some eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with this light baby pink colour as the base colour. And then I'm just going to take this more vibrant pink and I'm going to apply this onto the outer areas of my eyes. Then I'm just going to use a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend the eyeshadow out as much as I can. Then I'm going to take a slightly darker shade of pink and I'm just going to apply this right onto the inner corners of my eyelids. So next I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery highlight colour and I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelids to give it a little bit more shimmer and shine. And then I'm going to take this white highlight and I'm going to apply that onto the inner corners of my eyes. So now it's time for one of my favourite parts, which is mascara. So I'm just going to apply this onto both the top and bottom lashes. So now I'm just going to give my cheeks a little bit of colour, so I'm going to use this bronzer which I'm going to apply just under my cheekbones. I'm also going to apply a little bit onto my nose as well. Next I'm going to go back to this pink shimmery highlighter and I'm just going to apply this on the very tops of my cheekbones and also a little bit on my nose as well. Because my lips are naturally quite a dark red, I'm just going to put some concealer over them before I apply my lipstick because I want to use a really light pastel pink lipstick, and usually if I don't apply concealer first then it just doesn't show up as well. So to tie into the whole white and pink theme of this makeup look, I found these really beautiful little pearls which I'm going to apply onto the apples of my cheeks, and I just think this adds a really nice girly touch. So there we have it, that is my makeup look inspired by the adorable little Marie. Thank you so much for watching, and perhaps I'll see you again very soon.